78 Denver, take one.
Steve. Marker.
Hi, I'm Richard Meredith from Timecode Systems in the UK, and we're here at NAB 2012 to launch our product, which is the Timecode Buddy system. So we have two products here. We've got the Timecode Buddy TX and we've got the Timecode Buddy Master. There's many permutations in the way you can use these products. The most simple is the single camera to single sound setup, where you'd have the timecode transmitter on the camera and the Timecode Master in your sound bag. This gives you the functionality of an RF link between camera and sound. The beauty of our product over some of the other products is that we have 14 available channels, and here in the US that's on the 915 to 919 meg band. So if you have two sound recorders that turn up at the shoot with the same kit, they can have separate frequencies and both run their record-run timecode. The TX has a timecode input on the bottom, and it has a loop-through high-rose power. So if you use a DC power off your camera, you can loop through to another device, so you don't waste your output socket. We also have a small 9-volt DC supply, so if you're running it on a camera that doesn't support a DC socket, you can use our little external device there. So you can now see that we're running currently on 25 frames, which is a very UK based frame rate, and we're transmitting on US channel number 1. So that now is transmitting timecode from the master over and this 900 meg band, from the TX device to our master. And I can see on here that if I put this in external RF mode, and it's US 01, I can now see RF there, so we know that's talking. This has a multitude of menus inside it, but the simplest way to set it up is via our iPhone app. And if I go into my iPhone real time, hopefully, the master is now generating its own ad hoc Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to go into my Wi-Fi settings on my iPhone, and there's hundreds here at NAB, but there we go, there's TC Buddy 11, which is this unit. And if I open our app, we can see that we're now connected to TC Buddy 11, and that's showing the timecode that this device is generating. So that's saying that it's in external receive mode at the moment, and I've basically got full remote control over all the settings inside this. So the other way that this is likely to get used is in the multicam scenario. We're running multiple cameras all running time of day timecode. So for the purposes of that, we'd probably go into internal mode. So I'm going to actually now put that device into internal mode, and that will have changed to internal, which it has. And today on set we're running 2997 drop frame. So that will have just changed over to 2997 drop frame, which it has. And we can transmit over any one of, as I say, any one of 14 frequencies. So I'm going to choose channel 9. So again, a very quick way to navigate your way around the functionality inside the master from the remote control. This remote control will be password protected, so that only anybody who's got the passcode can actually get in and change any functionality. Our own app is effectively a digislate. It's got a very nice little feature that you can use the iPhone clock to enter in your time of day timecode first thing in the morning. So if you've left your watch at home when you've got up, you can jam the timecode from the iPhone clock, and that's just flicked to 10:50:44, and that's changed over to it as well. So our own app is really a remote control and digislate. So if you're using a Canon 5D or something like that, you can slate your Canon 5D with your iPhone or iPad. So we get the same remote control setting functionality. But we've collaborated with Movistar Slate, which gives us all the facilities that Movistar Slate can offer. So if I just close our app down and open Movie Slate, we get all the same remote control functionality, but on top of that you get all your logging features that you get within Movie Slate. So that's our Timecode Buddy from Timecode Systems, the first system to give you sample accurate timecode over Wi-Fi.